Good morning, students. Welcome you once again in the class of English. Myself Kamalnath, and today we are going to discuss and learn the question answer of chapter 4, the fight. All the questions comes under understanding the text, and this is the first part of the video this week. We will have some more here parts because there are a number of questions, so cannot be discussed in the first one. Last week we all studied the chapter, the story, the fight, and I am sure that you all must have enjoyed this fight, this tournament, in fact, about the two friends, two brothers, between which there was very deep faith, deep trust, and unbreakable friendship. So after the chapter, after the story, it's now turn to understand, to know the questions, answers of the exercise. As you know, in understanding the text you have several types of questions. That is, question to answer from the story, reference to context, and then further we will move grammar based questions, that is grammar and uses and words in use. That's regular questions in all the exercises. We practice them so that we can improve and enhance our capability, our ability to speak and write English. I'm sure you are taking advantage of these videos, watching them, learning them. Whatever part is left in the class, online class, you compensate and you make up through watching the video. Thank you, students, and let's proceed towards the exercise. What are the questions and what will be the probable answers, best answers of them? Let's see. As you know the story, and I'm sure that you too can very reasonably answer them. Here I am going to share my concept of the answer, and you may just also share your own concept while you are answering them. Exercise B, as exercise A is related to some other questions, not question answer. Exercise B, we have some questions. First one is here. Read these lines and answer the questions. That is obviously reference to context. Antonio glanced at Felix, who kept his eyes purposely straight ahead. This is the quote taken from para 2 of the story. Antonio and Felix, you remember them very well, the two friends, the two fighters, the two competitors. Here they were just running at the edge of the river, and this is the sentence from there only. At that moment, Antonio glanced at Felix, who kept his eyes purposely straight ahead. Question is, where were Antonio and Felix at that time? Antonio and Felix were running along a river's edge. They were practicing and thinking about the tournament in which they were going to participate as rivals, as opponents. And let us see the further. What is the question next in B? Why did Antonio glance at Felix, and why did Felix look purposely ahead? This is the question. Why did Antonio glance at Felix, and why did Felix look purposely straight ahead? Both Antonio and Felix must have been feeling rather awkward and uncertain at this point. They knew they were going to fight each other in a few days. In the match, you remember very well, the tournament that was going to take place, they were going to fight against each other. They both were wondering how the fight might affect their friendship. They were friends, deep friends. And so they were in great confusion. They wondered if the fight might affect their friendship and how they should interact with each other. These were what? Some of the confusions between them. Antonio looked at Felix to see how he might be feeling. And Felix looked purposely ahead because he was not ready to face Antonio yet. Here, the other question is based from other extract from the story. That is second question. Yeah, it would be better for our heads. This is the line taken from paragraph 14. Question from this line is framed. What did the speaker and listener agree to do? What did the speaker and listener agree to do? Why? No doubt the speaker and the listener were Antonio and Felix. So let us see here. The speaker and the listener, Antonio and Felix, agreed not to see each other till the day of their fight. They decided, both of them agreed on this point, that they would not see each other, they would not meet each other till the day of their fight, till the day of their tournament. They decided this because they thought it would be good idea to face each other directly at the fight as competitors, as rivals, rather than keep meeting as friends before the fight. Okay, that's why just they decided not to meet each other before the fight, before the day of tournament. Question next. What else did they agree on? That was not the only condition they decided. There were some more here points they agreed, they decided to follow before the tournament. So there is another question. What else did they agree on? What was the other point? They also agreed to face each other at the fight as two strangers who want the same thing, to fight equally without trying to spare the other or letting their friendship come in the way of the fight. They decided that they would fight like competitors, like strangers who didn't know each other, with the just spirit of a sportsmanship, to make the tournament quite successful, very thrilling, and like the rivals, not as a friends, not to spare each other. So let us see some more questions on the basis of the third quote from the story. Let's have a clean fight. Let's have a clean fight. And this is the sentence taken from paragraph 14. Who said this and to whom? The referee said this to the two fighters, Antonio and Felix. This sentence was spoken by the referee. You know who is referee? So this sentence was spoken by referee to the two fighters, Antonio and Felix. What does a clean fight mean in this context? The word that is here used, words, clean fight. What does this mean? In this context, clean fight means a match fought fairly and honestly, where each fighter tries his best and none tries to defeat the other by any unfair means. This is the meaning of a clean fight. Here we have some more questions. Let us see. That is question number C, third one. Do you think that the fight that followed was clean? That is the question. Do you think that the fight that followed was clean? Yeah, certainly. Yes, the fight that followed was a clean fight, as both fighters fought as hard as they could You remember very well the story and the fight that took place between the two friends, two fighters, two rivals. They did not try to spare each other because they were friends. They did not spare so that they were friends. They hit, they attacked, okay, like two strangers, two just players, good players. In fact, they were only concerned with putting up a good fight. So they did not even wait to hear the result. And you remember each part, every part of the just tournament, what happened. And it's no doubt an interesting story how the two brothers, who no doubt felt that they were brothers, they were deep friends, inseparable friends, how they fought, how they made this tournament so interesting. This is what the story. And in this way, today I end this exercise here only, questions and answers. I will again see you in the next part of the video session, second part, in which I will discuss some more questions and no doubt with some more interesting things only. Thank you, students. Thank you all being with me, being the part of this video. Thank you.